Today we're harvesting grapes. Make wine with. This is the first part of the day. Lots of work here, I believe. Well, just like back in California, huh, honey?
Kind of in touch with my roots.
Yep.
Kidding, Mom, just kidding.
That's Giancarlo's house down there. Pretty nice view he's got. Well, I guess I better get to work.
Okay, there's Chuck sweating. Picking grapes. Look at all those. Actually, we've picked quite a few. Fortunately for us, it's not sunny. It's not sunny. There's Sarah. Say hi, Sarah. And over there, look at him. Isn't he cute? And there's Nona. And there's Giancarlo. Now that's what you call heavy. It's beautiful here. Wow. Okay, now they're squeezing the grapes, taking out the juice. Oh, wait, let me look at the kiwis. Can't find them. Where are they? Hopefully I'm not panning too quickly. It's over. Oh, there's kiwis. Look at the trees. I've never seen a kiwi tree before.
Why do you need to take them off there?
Because they get all stuck here and they block the
Pretty impressive. Wow.
We'll get it. No, but this doesn't stay there.
Battery wear downer. Alright, that's the fruit of our work. See if you can see any bugs in it. See some
They're
leaves.
good. Those are bugs.
They add flavor.
Bugs.
The right ones to make wine.
Isn't that amazing?
That's the D-stemmer. That's what you need, Dad. Right there. Spits all these stems out.
You call them earwigs.
Yeah.
Those are awful.
Okay, I'm watching.
He might be able to... What? Wow!
Stop that, Tomato.
Wow!
Well, that doesn't look like white wine. It looks like muddy water.
Si riesci a tirarla lì ai cose, no? Si riesci a tirarla sul sangue, dopo butterò. No, che ne sai, la
See,
fa
it's
con
full
un
now.
pelo, dopo dovrei riuscire a far gastare tutta su una.
Take that down to about a third. Doesn't look like wine to me.
No, it's not wine, it is grape juice.
Now they're pressing.
Filtering.
Oh, filtering, okay. Filtering and pressing. Quite a
You
workout.
want to reverse the pins and remove all the bits. Ah, you went to the... Oh, the big ones are much easier than the other ones.
Oh, there you go. hard work making wine. And he says this is the easy part. Sheesh.
The easy part comes in another couple months when you start drinking.
Okay, I'll take.
You can drink it before.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is not, clear, but it is good already. I would say that in 20 days you can.
20 days? Oh, that's quick. Okay, more later.
See that thing grinding them up? Going out.
Dove? Io Tommaso.
Bill coming to help out. Hey. Say ciao. Woohoo!
Oh, she takes it out so she can Che bella.
Woohoo! Pew!
Can you tip up the bowl for me?
Affirmative.
Mom.
Well, we're done. The red wine sits in that container and ferments for a couple of days, and then you press it and put it in the primary fermenter, or actually I guess it would be secondary since it started fermenting in there. And I believe you rack it again and then bottle it.